Get some boards set up to get over the swamp. Nice little brook. Came down through. Up here in that water run. Been some ups and downs this morning through some swampy area, but beautiful morning. No wind yet. Gust every once in a while. Catch you later. Good morning, Old Bull here. About 1.3 miles from Shelter. The New York-New Jersey border is about 3 miles ahead. Hope you can see that sun behind me. It's really nice. A little bit of a wind. Interesting trail today. It's not a hard trail, but a lot of sharp ups and downs. There's another one that I'm about to go down. I don't know if you can see it, but again, they're not long, but they're sharp. So it's been a good day so far, and look forward to talking to you soon. God bless. Nice little bridge, little crossing. Hope you can see this. Eagle Scout Project 2011 by Thomas Tracy, Troop 26, Bloomingdale. Awesome job. Good job, Thomas. Nice little stream. I think it's coming out of where a bunch of beavers are. Those are beaver houses back there. There's a swamp. Meanders down through the woods. Pretty wide though. Nice stream. Sounds pretty. Needed a little break, so I figured I'd take some pictures of some rocks. Trail goes right up through those, right up through there. Just a neat rock formation that goes down. Pretty much been open woods, but a lot of ups and downs. Yeah. Catch you later. Well, get ourselves a nice little rock scramble today. Going right up there. There's another, there's some nice icicles. But that's where I gotta go. There's the white blaze and I gotta go up there. All right. Old Bull here. Well, made it to the New Jersey, New York state line. And earned every step of it. Been a wicked day. Catch you later. Yeah, walking a ridge line on some slab rock. It's like there was an ATV vehicle up here. Probably going to Prospect Rock, which I'll be to in about I guess it's about a half a mile. Been a pretty rough day for me. A lot of ups and downs, as I said earlier. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a beautiful day, a little bit windy, but it's beautiful. So, saw a bunch more day hikers today. No through hikers, and no overnighters. So I'll catch you later. Yep, a little bit more climbing. There's Blaze. He's taking me to that rock and way up to the top. This is awesome. That's Pennsylvania over there. New Jersey back there. As you swing around. Oh wow. Oh my God. There's the Atlantic City. There's a New York skyline. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's all New York. Amazing, amazing. What a beautiful day. Gorgeous day. Wow. If I can zoom in on New York. I'll see if if I can take a picture of it. This is amazing. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but as I'm panning through, it's the New York City skyline right over there. Unbelievable. What a sight. Whoa, it's all New York. Beautiful lake. Wow. Cool part of the trail. Comes down along these rocks. Down there in the snow. God knows where from there. Found a real nice stealth site just above these falls. I forget what the mile marker is. It's not a great site. It's not real level, but I hope it's soothing tonight. So catch you later.